Hello student, welcome to my channel Point 91. If you are new student, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Today we study model paper for SSCL exam. Let's start the class. See the first question. First question saying the rate of feed depended on. The rate of feed depended on option A, material to be cut. Option B, type of drill material. Option C, the finish required. Option D, all of the above. Which one the correct? The correct answer is D, all of the above. It depended on material to be cut, type of drill material, the finish required. Next question. Identify the type of sheet metal joint. Identify the type of sheet metal joint. He asking this joint. A, plain lap joint, inside lap joint, outside lap joint, shank lap joint. Which one the correct? Right answer is C, shank lap joint. D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Next question. The point angle of a drill bit for general purpose is. The point angle of a drill bit for general purpose is. Remember, it asking for general purpose use. Option A, 116 degree. Option B, 118 degree. Option C, 119 degree. Option D, 120 degree. What is the correct answer? B is the right answer. 118 degree. Next question. And please subscribe my channel Point 91 and like the video. Cap screw are manufactured to toothless than the machine bolt. Cap screw are manufactured to tolerance than to machine bolt. Closer, looser, equal, slack. What is the right answer? The right answer is A, closure. Cap screw are manufactured to closer tolerance than machine bolt. A is the right answer, closer. Next question. Very important model paper. Please keep practice. Sign bar are used when a high degree accuracy to less than 1 minute is needed for. Sign bar are used when high degree of accuracy to less than 1 minute is needed for. For measuring angle, marking out, both A and B, none of these. What is the right? Correct answer is C, A and B. A and B. C, measuring angle and marking out. Next question. The cutting fluid offer the function such as. The cutting fluid offer the function such as. Option, preventing the chips from getting welded to the tool's cutting edge, to flux away the chips, lubrication action to reduce friction between chips and the tool face. What is the correct answer? Preventing the chip from getting welded to the tool cutting edge, or to flux away the chips, or lubrication action to reduce friction between chips and the tool face. Yeah, all of these. Which one the right answer? This is D, all of these. The correct answer. Next question, 7th number. What are used when the drill taper sang is bigger than machine spindle? What are used when the drill taper sang is bigger than machine spindle? What are used? A drill chuck, taper, sleeve and socket, straight sang and drill, all above these. The right answer is B. Taper, sleeve and socket are used. Next question. Is a destructive type testing? Is a destructive type testing? Eddy current inspection, liquid penetrant inspection, state testing, magnetic particle inspection. Which one the correct? Is a destructive type testing. Correct answer C. Stress testing. Stress testing. Next question. For a double start thread, the lead is the pitch of the thread. For a double start thread, the lead is the pitch of the thread is equal to, less than, twice, 4 times. The right answer C. The lead is twice the pitch of the thread. The lead is twice the pitch of the thread. Next question. And please like the video. As the diameter of wire decrease, the gauge number in a standard wire gauge is. As the diameter of wire decrease, the gauge number is at standard wire gauge is. Don't change, increase, decrease, none of these. What is the right answer? Increase. B is the correct answer. Increase. Next question. When the object moves in the direction of applied force, the product of force and the distance moved is called. The product of force and distance moved is called. Very simple and very important question. A. Pressure, B. Velocity, C. Work, D. Momentum. What is the correct answer? C. Work. The product of force and distance. A metal strip designed as IST 1200 mm into 3.5 mm as per Indian standard. 1200 mm represent. What is the represent? 1200. What is the represent? Length, thickness, width, diameter. What is the correct answer? Very important question. The right answer is C. Width. The 1200 represents. C is the correct answer. Next question. And please subscribe my channel. Coating factor for heavy coat electrode is. Coating factor for heavy coated electrode is 1.4 to 1.5, 1.25 to 1.3, 1.2 to 1.4, and D 1.6 to 2.2. What is the right answer? Please guess. Coating factor for heavy coat electrode is D, 1.6 to 2.2. The correct answer. Next question, 14 number. Identify the type of key edge mark. Identify the type of key edge mark. This key asking. Here clearly see here. This key. What is the name of this key? Give head key, taper key, Woodruff key. None of these. What is the right answer? A, give head key. This is the give head key. And next question, what is the angle of Acme thread? Repeated question, many exam. What is the angle of Acme thread? 66 degree, 55 degree, 29 degree, 45 degree. Correct answer is C, 29 degree. In figure related question, one or two question asking many exam. So keep practice figure type questions. Okay. This is my last question. Acme thread, 29 degree. Another model paper discuss will be soon. So subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you very much.